make these who I take a lot of these songs from, they're also very much big gamers, so I'm not surprised. There's a couple of like game songs on there for sure. When they're pretty songs, I don't really care where they're from, you know? I've not seen it. I've only heard about it. Yeah, air bubble. We're definitely going to get at least a half another tray out of this, so because I still have more batter. I do need one of the things I've seen in like other people making macarons is like ooh, putting down the tip from the piping. So we're just gonna do that, like there. All right. Now, one of the things they also say to do is just give it a little. Take me to the rowing machine, baby! All right, let's check on our cake. I have no clue. Do a baking? Ooh! Hugh, well, you know, if you ever come to New York, you must tell me. And we will at least find a time to say hello, right? I can't guarantee a baking, ever. Ever I cannot guarantee, but you never know. Let's check on our cake. Thank you. I'm excited. They're looking okay to me. Oh, yeah, that is not done. That is 100% not done. We're going to just turn it that way now and give it a little more time. We still got plenty of batter on the I bake myself. I don't bake those things, if that makes sense. I only bake myself every now and then. I prefer a drink over a high, to be honest. I stand corrected. Yeah, you do. Why are you standing? You're in bed. Sit down or lay down. You're in bed. We're gonna just do another. I don't think we're gonna fill all of these. I don't think we have enough batter to fill a whole other sheet tray. But oh, you know what? I forgot to set a timer. And I feel like I set that too long. I added another 10 minutes because the inside of that cake was definitely not ready. I'm getting a little sloppy with these, but oh well. It doesn't really need to be perfect, to be honest. And I gotta stop going from bottom to top because it's not. Doesn't work well for me attempting to avoid like getting Sharpie on my hand. Hi Mill, how we doing? Happy Saturday. Like I said, I don't think that we are going to fill this entire tray, but I'd rather have them all prepared rather than not at all. There we go. What'd you make for dinner last night? Tell me about it. Tell me about dinner. Ugh. Lemon pepper salmon with rosemary and a Japanese yam. Delicious. That actually sounds really good. Lemon on fish always goes so well. And rosemary is a great, great seasoning. I don't know if I've ever actually had Japanese yam, but I would love to try it. All right, let's see how many more we get. Hold on, I'm going to read that, but I just want to get these piped. Also, my G Fuel order came today. It's been since September. Oh, I guess you ordered it a while ago? Oh, and Thermo, I guess you're talking about the Japanese yam? That makes sense. Hey, stop it. All right, I think that that's good enough. It's such. You are lucky. Hi, Yammy. I'm going with Yammy. I hope that's or Wyamy or Yamref. Yamref? What the hell? I am bad at reading names. I'm learning. I knew this already. You're lucky. Some people who are not pun people are not here. There are a few people, and D is stealing that. Okay. Do that to Sibby, though, okay? Make sure to say that one to Sibby specifically, D. I'm going to need you to do that. All right. And Nia. Nia would really hate that one, actually, D, I think. Who do you think will hate it more? I think actually Sibby would love it. Is the real problem? Oh, wait, I want to keep this out. I don't want to put these. I'm going to put this here for now. I need to wash my hands, too. Hi, India. It's not the typical one. You're right. You're right. I just think that anytime a pun comes up, I get a little like, oh, vey, like, Who was asking about Yiddish earlier? The most I really speak Yiddish is like in oy veys. How's India today? I need more coffee. Surprising free Mickey D's. I kind of been craving McDonald's lately. It's not good. I think I'm just gonna need to get myself like a double cheeseburger, a 2 cheeseburger meal. That's my favorite, or a Big Mac, or a filet fish. One thing though, I can't get all of them Even though, like, my brain is like, McDonald. Some people can be real pun-ishers. Pickles? Pickles. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? I think I need to take a picture of my macarons as they are... Yeah! Hold on, Hugh. I will do that, but give me a minute. Making coffee, though. I need more coffee. This is what happens when you get daytime me. Coffee. Oh, that looks so much better already. We're gonna go literally 3 more minutes, I think. I just want to make sure the inside is fully done. All right, it's almost there. Oh, wait. Yes, more macaroni pictures. I've been awake 6 hours and haven't had coffee yet. No wonder I have no will to live. It wasn't even one of those pay it forward things. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I know. Hugh, I know I owe you your talking here. All right. So now let's put my coffee in. Let's press the button. Press the button. Press the button. Hold on. I've given you a little freebie, a little extra. All right, here we go. Okay, so as a typical New Yorker, I need some coffee. It is Saturday. I was about to say Saturday morning, but it is Saturday afternoon. It is 3:30 in the afternoon, and I need to figure out how we're gonna make these. I think what I'm gonna try and do is make like a strawberry jam and like a chocolate buttercream or like a chocolate ganache, and then we'll just like ring and circle them. What do you think? All right, that's how I think we're gonna make our attempts at like a filling for our whatchamacallit, our macarons. All right, I feel like the New Yorker says macaron, like macaron. Like, come on, Ron, what you doing here? Alki! Hi, my lovely. How are you? Good morning. Macaron, macarons. This is how we're saying macarons, all right? Okay. I'm pretty good. Doing a little bit better than I was doing earlier. A lot of that has to do with you amazing people. So there's that. We made some cute little cakes. Oh my god. I feel like the light is whenever I do a day stream, the light is particularly bad because the window right behind me, but it is what it is. All right, I think we should look at our cake one more time.